To the Missouri Commission on Retirement, Removal, and Discipline 2190 South Mason Road, Suite 201. Street. Lewis, Missouri, 63131. Complainant information Darrell McClanahan. Address 24346 S. 2425 Road, Milo, Missouri, 64767. Phone number 417-388-9595. Email address darrell4mogov@gmail.com. Attorney information. Christopher J. Swatosh. M0. Bar number 45845. Address 102S. Spurlock Street, Ava, Missouri, 65608. Contact number 417-683-2987. Complaint: Unethical conduct and potential conspiracy. The following complaint outlines the alleged unethical practices and professional misconduct by attorney Christopher J. Swatosh in his representation of Darrell McClanahan in case number 2102 CR0008702. Limited Representation Attorney Swatosh was compensated $5,000 for his services but only engaged in minimal court representation, suggesting a discrepancy between the fee and the work performed. 2. Request for Political Influence Swatosh asked McClanahan to post a video on his YouTube channel, Missouri Battle Flag, about attorney John Russo's $50,000 tax debts to influence the appointment of Matthew Weatherman by 44th Judicial Judge Craig Carter as the Ozark County Prosecutor. 3. Failure to provide services after the political influence was exerted. Swatosh then withdrew representation, claiming he once upon a time spoke with one of the alleged victims D.B. 4. Unjust retention of fees. Swatosh has not returned the portion of the fee that corresponds to the unrendered services despite McClanahan's requests. Alleged violations of the Missouri Rules of Professional Conduct. Rule 1.4 Communication. For failing to keep the client reasonably informed or promptly responding to reasonable requests for information. Rule 1.5 Fees for charging an unreasonable fee not commensurate with services provided. Rule 1.7 Conflict of interest for potentially placing his own interests or those of third parties above his clients. Rule 1.16 Declining or terminating representation for not refunding any advance payment of fee or expense that has not been earned or incurred. Rule 8.4 Misconduct for engaging in conduct involving dishonesty or conduct prejudicial to the administration of justice. Prayer for relief. Complainant requests the Commission 1. Investigate any potential conspiracy between Swatosh, Judge Carter, and Prosecutor Weatherman that may affect McClanahan's civil rights. 2. Review all relevant documents and communications related to Swatosh's representation and fee agreements. 3. Interview all relevant witnesses to assess the extent of services provided by Swatosh. 4. Order the return of any unearned fees to McClanahan. 5. Take appropriate disciplinary action if it is found that Swatosh's conduct breached professional ethics. Verification under penalty of perjury. I affirm that the information provided is accurate to the best of my knowledge. Date, insert date, signature of Darrell McClanahan. Attachments, invoices and fee agreements between McClanahan and Swatosh. Records or transcripts of court appearances by Swatosh. Any related communications regarding the return of fees. Witness list. Matthew Weatherman, Douglas County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, P.O. Box 698, Ava, Mo 65608-0698-417-683-2919. Any other relevant witnesses. This complaint seeks to ensure that attorneys adhere to the high ethical standards required by the Missouri legal profession and to protect the interests of clients.